Hello friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today's recipe is Arabic Mutton Biryani with 3 special sides. So let's get started. First we are starting with the Biryani Masala. For that we need 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander whole, 1 tablespoon of black pepper counts, dried chilies that is about 8 numbers, cloves 1 tablespoon, then cinnamon that is about 1 inch 2 pieces, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, black cardamom 4 numbers, then cardamom 6 numbers. We will roast this slightly and then grind it. After that we are going to add turmeric powder that is about 1 teaspoon. You can store this biryani masala for 6 months. Now for this we will need 750 grams of mutton. To that we will add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of biryani masala, 4 tablespoons of beaten yogurt. Then we will add salt about 1 teaspoon. If you're first time on our channel, please do subscribe. We'll mix it all together really well. We'll keep this mutton to marinate for minimum 1.5 hours but maximum 4 hours. Now we'll heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it really well. Now we will add 3 onions which is sliced, medium sized. We'll saute it. Once it's slightly golden, we're going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, then 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, then half a teaspoon of Garam Masala. We are going to mix it really well. We are going to add coriander leaves 1 cup and mint leaves 1 cup. These are frozen, you can use fresh also. Now we will add yogurt that is about 1 cup. Mix it really well. When the oil starts popping up, we are going to add the marinated mutton. We have kept this mutton for about 4 hours. Mix it really well. Then we will add water in the masala and then we are going to pour it. Mix it all together really well. Then we will add salt. Add it by tasting it. Then we will add chilies which is optional about 4 numbers. Mix it all together really well. We'll keep it to simmer for about 5 minutes. You can see our mutton is now started to become gravy and it is thick. We'll keep it to simmer. Meanwhile, we'll prepare our rice. We are taking about 3 cups. We'll add water to it so that it becomes soft. We're going to keep it for 30 minutes. Now we'll take 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. In the spice device, we are going to add 2 cardamoms, 2 big cardamoms, 1 small piece of cinnamon and 5 pieces of cloves. You can even use a clove. Then we are going to add 2 bay leaves. Then we will add 2 dried lemons which is smashed. Then add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 3 teaspoons of salt. Mix it really well. And we are going to boil it. Make sure it is boiling really well. Now we are going to add the washed rice. And we'll cook the rice till it is 60%, which is about 5 minutes. Our rice is now 60% cooked. You can see. Now we'll drain off the water and keep the rice. Let's see our mutton. Okay, it's ready. We will start adding the rice. This is the first layer. To this we will add fried onion and biryani masala. That is about half a teaspoon. Then we are going to do the second layer of it. Same, we are going to add the fried onion. And biryani masala. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of rose essence. Then lastly, we will add 2 tablespoons of ghee. We'll cover it with the foil and we'll cook it for 5 minutes. 5 to 7 minutes, okay? Meanwhile, we'll do our sides, that is with tomato sauce. We need 2 tomatoes, 2 to 3 numbers of shallots, then Kashmiri chili powder 2 tablespoons, then dried chili which is small, so 4 numbers, and then salt half a teaspoon. We are going to close the lid and let it be cooked. Once it is cooled down, we are going to blend it. The next one is the dal fry. For that, we are going to add olive oil or ghee, about 1 tablespoon. Then we'll add 2 numbers of dried chilies and 2 numbers of cinnamon, which is small. Then we will add boiled dal, that is about 1 cup. To that, we'll add turmeric, about 1/4 teaspoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon, and we'll fry the dal till it is dried off. See, now the dal is now ready. Next is the salad. We are going to take 1 number apple grated, then 2 numbers of chilies, beaten yogurt about 1 cup. Then we'll add salt 1/4 teaspoon. Then add pepper 1/4 teaspoon and cumin powder 1/4 teaspoon. And we are going to mix it really well. And our apple salad is now ready. I really wish you could have this aroma which I am right now having. Oh my god, it's so delicious. Enjoy this quick and easy recipe with Arabic Mutton Biryani and the 3 special sides. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications on time.